We haven't started yet. Count? Doesn't count. See, music's playing, so it doesn't count.
Man, you and the glasses, I see myself. Hey there, good looking.
Exactly. Oh, wait.
But it's your bowl.
No, it's gotta be your bowl.
Wow. Dude, there's just something about creamy dip with the cheese. Like, bro, the cheese on the chip, the crunch.
The chip and the dip.
The chip and the dip. It's dip! It's dip! Is that weird to say?
No, because you use the inflection of, it's a man!
Oh, man! A man! I am all about chips and salsa. I'm all about chips and queso. I'm also all about spicy buffalo. What am I calling? I'm gonna call this, yeah, just spicy buffalo dip. Spicy buffalo chicken dip. You stole it from me.
I said it first.
Okay, that's technically true.
That
You can't triple stamp a double stamp.
You can't triple stamp a double stamp. You can't triple stamp a double stamp, Lord.
So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make this wicked buffalo chicken dip.
Yep.
It's gonna be awesome.
Let's do that.
Before I do that though, be sure you guys go like and subscribe here on YouTube. That way you guys get a notification every time I have an episode that's coming out. You might get one for Nate's. You'll definitely get one for Betty and Todd's. I'm gonna ring the bell right now.
You don't even want to know what CJ just said.
Let's start cooking.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first show.
Fine. I concede. I am walking in shame. This is a brilliant recipe, guys, because it's so simple. So let's just get to the simplicity. Yanti?
Yanti?
All right, let's head over to our 36-inch Blackstone Griddle top. We've got that over here. I had it cranked a little bit, so we're smoking a little unnecessarily hot at the moment, but we're hanging out around the medium. First thing is first. Let's get some of that Earl. So we're gonna throw this guy down. We have 4 cutlets. Now today,
Cutlets are where it's at.
Our grocery store actually didn't have cutlets, and so we sliced up full chicken breast. And by we, I mean you.
Okay.
I knew where you're going.
Good. I was just wondering where you're going.
The proverbial we.
The royal we.
The royal we.
The royal we.
This just is it's preference, really. This just is an easier way to cook these. They cook a lot faster, and you definitely know that they are. I got some oil sliding in the back there, so I'm gonna go for this guy.
I like it.
Dude,
I really do like using cutlets, especially for things like this, because you're not too worried about moisture content within the protein.
Exactly.
You're more worried, quick.
I'm always worried about the moisture content in my protein, constantly.
You are. You just don't realize it.
If I lose sleep over anything, it's moisture content. Okay, so while that's on there, though, you guys notice I did not do any pre-seasoning.
Oh, show me that.
But I am gonna season now.
Oh yeah.
Whiskey Burger is where it's at.
Get down tonight. Oh! Get down tonight. Woo!
So we're gonna generously season here. When I flip it over, I might season it again, or I might just do a post-seasoning when it's all done cooking. I don't know.
As you do.
We'll see. I'm not sure if we'll have enough time.
Maybe Bed Bath & Beyond, I don't know. I don't know if we'll have enough time.
While that's going, truly this is such a simple recipe. I'm gonna get to the other ingredients that we're going to melt with our chicken.
You're gonna melt some celery. Here we go.
Yes. It really did sound bad, didn't it? Now, I am going to actually try to,
Hey, real quick. Hey. Let's cut those a little smaller so it's a more pleasant bite in the chicken dip. First.
What if I did this, guy?
Yeah?
Huh?
Yeah? Can you do it one more time?
Really?
Yeah.
All right, I'm doing
See,
this.
we're going almost for a mint. Yeah. See, now I'm gonna get down here because look how beautiful and tiny
Oh, geez, I didn't even cut that very well.
the little nibs are gonna be.
All right. You know what? I'm gonna get the bowl out of the way. It's time to get down to business.
You see what I'm saying?
I do see what you're saying, and I appreciate it because I don't love giant chunks of celery.
Can I get a bell ring for that?
Yes, you can. As a matter of fact.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Well, since my baby... The same key, though, I think. Well,
I don't know where that falsetto came
Me
from.
either. I'm glad you did it, though.
Yes, thank you.
Because I'm going to make fun of you for it later.
Whatever. Shut up. Shut up. Kill him.
Okay, kill him.
Yeah, now we're talking, buddy.
Are we?
Yeah, because this way in your bite for your guests or yourself, it's going to be a much smaller, nicer, more palatable.
Which honestly, which is great because I don't like giant chunks of celery.
Nah, it's just like
So
a little
this is-
crunch.
this is
It's more
good.
texture than flavor, really.
It's more tingly than hot.
It's not so bad.
It's more tingly than hot. Yeah.
I'm gonna finish this and go check on my chicken.
Why don't you do that?
I'm gonna give it a flip.
All
You
right.
know what? I'm gonna crank my heat up now. Now that I got rid of all that smoke.
We're going to do a second seasoning.
Yes, sir, we are. I'm gonna season with a little bit of love and some more whiskey burger. All right, let's get back to our celery. This is not gonna be, you don't want too much celery, so you can use as much as you want. I personally don't want to like overdo it with the celery.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get all of
It's
these.
more of a texture thing.
Yeah, it's a texture thing. A little bit of a bite into our buffalo chicken dip, and we will be done with our celery. And moving on to our Philadelphia cream cheese. This is pretty much the perfect ingredient for this buffalo chicken dip. But I had this sitting out for a little while so it could get soft and a little more pliable. Pliable would be the correct term, I think, in this instance. Wouldn't you agree? Ethan?
That was a quick one.
Impressive. Most impressive.
So I had this sitting out so that way it had a chance to soften up and get where we can manipulate it a little bit
you
more.
definitely want it soft for mixing because we want a good even mix on this action. Wow, I can see myself in the reflection of the bowl.
Oh. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. I can see. Now, I've got our cheese in there. I'm gonna go ahead and let's just incorporate our celery. Actually, not gonna incorporate it. I'm just gonna put it in here. Get that ready. Now, again, you can add more if you like. I don't love a ton of celery.
A ton.
A ton of ton. So just a ton, but not a ton of ton.
Yeah.
Yeah. That makes sense, right?
Yup!
Okay, now we have two other basic ingredients.
Okay.
3. Okay, I lied. There's 4 ingredients here. Don't listen to anything I just said. But we've got our Sweet Baby Ray hot sauce. I'm gonna do quite a bit here. So I'm gonna do not quite as much of the ranch as, oh, by the way.
Yeah.
We're using ranch as well. I never even said what it was that I was doing.
I like how it's
hot
upside down.
sauce, buffalo
Hang
sauce.
on, let me read it upside down. Oh.
That was good. That was good. Like I was saying, ranch. We're gonna add. I'm not gonna add quite equal parts because I want the buffalo to really shine in this a bit more. But you don't want to go so little that it's just overly creamy. You want to be able to get a chip in there where it can actually dip.
It's going to be a dip.
Yes. It needs to be dip!
I heard
It echoed.
Did it?
I did not mean for that to be
Dude,
so loud.
You just hit a weird frequency.
Oh, really?
Hang on, I gotta go change my pants. It was the brown note.
Yes. You were setting me up for that for like 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Guys, I am gonna go ahead and pull my chicken off. It's had enough time to be thoroughly cooked, and we are gonna cut her up. Now, Nate, do you see what I'm setting my chicken on over here?
This is such an underappreciated accessory.
It's highly underappreciated.
It's almost like Gary Busey's acting prowess. Just so underappreciated.
What are you doing out here?
What am I supposed to do?
Deal from you have to.
Welcome back, buddy. So we're gonna cut this up. I'm gonna do really just little chunks. And
Yeah, it's a dip, so you kind of want like a real small dice.
right.
Why don't we just fast forward this part?
Because it's gonna be really, really long.
Show me how fast you cut.
Just like that. 1, 2, 3. Bob's your uncle.
Bob's your uncle. A quick pista pasta.
So-
we've never actually found that clip.
I can't find the clip.
Yeah, I saw that, I don't know, when I was like 10 or 11. And it's just stuck.
Okay, so now we want to put this in. And this is actually a good key part. You want this to go in while it's hot.
Yeah.
It's gonna help melt our cheeses and make that pliable for the mixing.
Our cheeses? But there's only one cheese in
You just
there.
wait. You just wait. We're gonna add our last bit of cheese. We've just got, this is a Mexican melt, pre-shredded. because
Betty would be offended.
actually, I agree with Betty, but for the sheer sake of simplicity,
Convenience.
it's just gonna be this way.
Yeah.
Then let's give it a mix.
Let's do that.
Let's give it a mix. Now, that cream cheese has had time to set out, so obviously you can see that it's gonna be
Soft.
Look
Yep.
at that.
Look at that.
That's what we're going for here. And I think we're gonna need some more.
Here, I got you, buddy.
Yeah, you know what? This teamwork really does make the dream work. Okay, there we go. We've got this aluminum tin.
Now this doubles as our finish cooking.
Serving.
Yeah, and serving.
Serving and cooking platter. This is gonna be great. So we're gonna be utilizing this to get all this ingredients nice and melty and ooey and
Bubbly.
gooey for our chips. Yeah.
Bubbly, ooey, gooey. This is where the magic happens.
Well, I hope this is where the magic happens. We need some magic.
This is like the topper.
I know. That's what I said. Magic.
That's what I said.
That's what I said.
Booty traps.
Booty trap, booty trap. That's what I said.
Where are you going? I'm saying booty traps.
You mean booby traps?
That's what I said, booby traps.
Okay. It wasn't Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson didn't come over to my house. He was about to. But his sister did.
That's a great Goonies moment. Okay, guys, so I am going to keep this, let's crank it to like medium.
Ooh, living dangerously, this guy.
Is medium really dangerous?
For you?
We're living on the edge! We're gonna use some water. This is gonna help our melting process. Oh, see, look, it wasn't quite hot enough.
It's okay though, because everything's technically cooked. We just want to heat it up slowly so we get an even, smooth melt.
You know what that means?
Bell and a bite? I guess there's no bite yet.
Whoa.
Gee, whoa.
Got aggressive. All right. We'll be back in a few minutes when this is melted.
Yeah.
All right, Brotown. It's been, what, 5-ish minutes?
It's been bubble time.
Bubble time. Here we go. Yeah. Let's have a look-see.
Oh.
Dude.
Oh, whoa. Pro moves.
Here we go.
Whoa.
Pro moves until you shockingly get very unpro and drop it. Okay, dude. Is that simple? Is that easy? It's
dude.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah,
it's
dude.
almost foolproof. But I'm gonna decide that after I eat it. Can I please just eat it?
I don't know, can you?
Yes, I can.
Can I?
I'm not asking, I'm telling.
Oh.
Okay, that's enough. Guys, here's
Get down tonight. Do a little dance.
I was gonna say, that was awesome. Tangy, delicious.
No, that was a great grab.
Adding that ranch kind of helps it be a little bit more loose so you can really dip and get into it.
Yeah.
Bro.
That's stunning.
Ethan, want me to make you one?
Wait, you didn't ask to make me one.
Well, because I don't care about you.
Oh, if it's,
eat.
if it's all
eat.
connected, it still counts as one
That's just
chip.
one nacho.
Hey! What are you doing?
Dude, if you get the nachos stuck together, that's one nacho.
It's just, oh, dude, you are not getting this.
No, I was
This is
worried about
the ultimate cheese pull.
Whoa! Kept going.
Yeah. All right, E. I would feed you, but I'm not gonna.
No, do it.
We're gonna do it. Only because you're my nephew. There we go. That good. Like, we should just stop talking and continue with the eating. Yeah? Right?
Oh, say.
Oh, good.
And the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air.
Hey, guy, did you get any delicious comments? Some delicious comments this week?
Speaking of delicious, I did.
Yeah.
I got a few.
Enough for my favorite segment of your show?
I do believe we do, my friend.
Is CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Here we go, folks.
Can I get a ding?
We got a ding.
And some degradation.
Here we go. In no particular order, as always. This one comes from Chuck. I feel if I watch enough episodes, I will see all of the Wayne's World, and that is awesome. Chuck, that was a haiku.
Garth, that was a haiku.
Deserves a ding.
Okay, it does deserve
That
a ding.
deserves a ding.
Chuck, you're the man. Oh, here's a little stinger, little zinger, if you will.
Didn't,
How dare he?
How dare he?
This one comes from Jim Johnson. I watched the entire episode without ing. But if I'm being honest, I considered switching to Sam the Cooking Guy several times. Sorry.
I consider switching to Sam the Cooking Guy while I'm working with you.
Jim.
Oh,
there's to Jim.
That's a good
You
one.
jerk. Ah, this is a personal favorite. Betty, this involves you. This is gold, right? So this guy gets on and comments on my video. Says, okay, but have you seen Blackstone Betty's smashed potatoes? Yours look good though. LOL.
Is it LOL that yours look good, or is it LOL that I made the comment?
Or is it LOL that I didn't actually give you a compliment?
There's just so many questions.
Whack! That's what happened, I feel like.
Yeah. That's so rude! wait, give him a chance to clarify. Clarify in the comment section here.
What did you actually mean?
And you can have a redemptive ring.
A redemptive ring! This one comes from Ty Latham. Joshua Hunt. We all know Josh Hunt. Maybe one day you two can cook like CJ.
If he's lucky.
Which,
but we know something.
Which leads me into my final thought. Today is Thursday, and we are having a CJ's favorite fails of the week moment.
Oh, is this a new edition?
Yeah, come up with the theme song.
CJ's favorite fails. I need a beat. CJ's favorite fails. CJ's favorite fails.
This one comes to you from Josh Hunt, aka Blackstone Griddle, the man, the myth. I give you Josh Hunt.
You are one pathetic loser.
Josh.
Man, you are one pathetic loser.
I love your food. It's gorgeous. I love seeing you fail.
Forward.
Almost as much as I love seeing Nate fail.
Wow.
So Josh, this one's
I'll ring to Josh.
I will ring
Josh,
to Josh.
You and I are on the same level, buddy.
Yes. So now we have a new segment. So guys, send me your videos of your Blackstone fail moments. It could be like mine where they burn, items, bacon, bread, pancakes, everything. Or maybe you're dropping food on the floor. Or
what?
Maybe.
Why?
I don't know. I don't know why they would. It's a fail.
Okay.
Guys, for this recipe and more, please be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com. Teespring 2021. We've got all kinds of sweet gear.
Let us know what you think would be a cool t-shirt.
Be sure to go watch Nate's show, Cook Eat Repeat. Blackstone Betty, she has an awesome family style show. The Tobin Zone.
There it is.
Or let's give it a try.
You're right. I am dangerous.
Guys, this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we quote.
Yes, we do. Here's to 2021 and the many more delicious recipes on the way.
Yeah.
So come